Well, the sun is set and it is going to be a very cold one overnight tonight. Here's a look at your current observation out of Savannah Hilton International Airport. Temperatures have already dipped into the 40s. Winds sustained 19 miles per hour, gusting to 30 miles per hour. And the dew point is quite low. That means temperatures are going to drop like a rock here in the coming hours. Winds have gusted over 30 miles per hour at times for most of the rest of the area today, too, with Statesboro gusting over 35 miles per hour along Sylvania and Rincon right around 35 miles per hour. We do have a freeze warning in effect tonight. We're also weather aware of the next couple of days due to the coldest air of the season so far. Low temps bottom out 25 to 30 degrees. That's the forecast low temperature, except right along the Sea Islands, immediately along the Atlantic Ocean. Temperatures may not get quite to the freezing mark, but either way, you have that. You got to protect the 4 Ps as well. And mindful of the fact that what used to be called a wind chill advisory, now a cold weather advisory in effect for our area. You want to bundle up and protect yourself when you're out there. Wind chills in the upper teens to lower 20s along and west of I-95. Starting off Veterans Day, it will be freezing. And by the way, for the parade, wind chills 20s, warming to the 30s. Actual temperatures make it into the 40s. Winds back off for the afternoon, and we'll be left with a sunny one and quite a nice day, really, too, by the way, once you get past how chilly it is. But temperatures again drop off again after about, say, 6 o'clock or so. We are threatening a record low at Savannah Hilton International Airport. The record low as it stands now, 31 degrees for tomorrow morning. Our forecast 29 degrees. So once those temperatures do dip, it's going to be record level cold. May even end up threatening the record coldest high as well if temperatures can't make it out of the 40s. Snow moving through portions of the region. Flurries being reported in the Atlanta area and Charlotte areas. The air is simply too dry down here. Don't think any flurries will be flying. Any accumulating snow is going to be in the mountains, not for our specific area. Wind chill is what it feels like when the wind takes a protective layer of heat off of your body. And tonight, looking again at 20s to 30s by late tonight into the morning tomorrow. Look at Tuesday morning, Veterans Day, starting off teens to low to mid 20s for wind chills. Even if you're going out early on in the rather mid morning, and right around the Veterans Day parade, of course. And look at this, 30s for wind chills. Wind chills do back off over the afternoon for when it does get warmer, and also winds back off significantly. But there will still be a wind chill factor tomorrow evening as well, so do be mindful of that. 29 degrees tonight. A freeze warning is in effect. It will also be breezy. Winds out of the northwest about 5 to 15 miles per hour. 10 to 15 mile per hour winds early on tomorrow. Wind chills in the 30s for any morning activities. Not going to be very comfortable. On our local waters, a gale warning is in effect of 20 to 30 knot winds around the morning. Those winds and seas do back off by the afternoon. Weather aware of the next couple of days due to our first freeze of the season. Looking at the possibility of another freeze for Wednesday morning, most areas inland of I-95. We do look forward to the middle of the end of the week, Ben and Tina, as temperatures finally return to normal. And Ben, last hour you were saying 40s will feel balmy.
Yeah, right. And the 70s will feel quite nice.
Yes.
Yeah, all right. Thank you so much.